Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we have an update to a tool, or should I say we have news, and this is going to be really quick. So not long ago we talked about a software known as Akeytsu, and we actually went ahead to talk about how you can get started in Akeytsu. Link is going to be in the description just in case you want to get your hands right into this. And today we have some very incredible news that you guys would like. So the guys at Nukigara, they've gone ahead to release a product roadmap. So we have always actually, talked about what people will want to work with, the amazing tools out there, and how you guys can get your workflow a bit more better. And we already know that Akeytsu is a straight heads-on animation tool, so you can bring in any model from anywhere, FBX model to be precise, and of course you can come here, skin it directly. Now there are certain things that you cannot do in Akeytsu, things like your blend shapes, you cannot do it here. And actually I think one of those times when I was reviewing the product, I said I would really love to get these things to work. But today some crazy amazing cool news is here, because they've actually gone ahead to say they will be releasing a Mac version. So there is going to be a Mac version of Akeytsu coming very soon. There's also going to be additive layers, so that just in case you want to make animations on top of animations, okay, link is also going to be in the description just in case you want to see what that looks like when you're doing your animation in Maya. There's also going to be a new kind of binding technique, which is the Voxel Binding, something that exists in Maya. And also they'll be incorporating a twin machine, a facial blend, so many cool stuff. So let me just actually take you guys to the roadmap. So directly here you can see all of the incredible things coming, and a huge shout out to Akeytsu. They've come through for the channel before. There was a time which we did a giveaway and they give us certain keys that we actually give away, and it will be cool to actually see them come back again to show some love when we hit another milestone. So you guys keep your eyes peeled for that, just in case you want to win some Akeytsu stuff. Hopefully they are going to come through for us this time. So there is a lot of updates that will be coming in. So the updates that will be coming from September is going to be the Mac version. So there's going to be an update for the Mac. So just in case you're using Mac and you're wondering how is it possible I don't have an Akeytsu working for Mac, or they don't have a Mac version, don't worry, you're going to get something that you will really love. And in October they're also going to be coming out with a couple of tools, and then within November, December, they're going to go through and fix up the facial blending, the twin machine, and also some other stuff that you would like to play with. So if you want to learn how to work with Akeytsu, link is going to be in the description just like I said earlier. And to be very honest, this tool is just one of those tools that I so love, that is just straight heads on to animation. So in case you want to do animation and you don't want to be distracted by so many things around your scene, then Akeytsu is the tool for you. And the goal of the guys at Nukigara is for them to release a minimum of 3 updates before 2020 gets here, and I guess with the way they are going, things are going to get into shape. And so that's about it, guys. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Link to this place and link to where you can find resources is going to be in the description, so you guys can go ahead and find these things out. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, turn on notification, and if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update, the next tutorial. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.